Jetson Nano Developer Kit. Before we dive into the Jetson Nano Developer Kit, let's first explore where the Jetson Nano is really used. Next, I will show you a few images where the Jetson Nano is used in projects. You are just now seen a couple of images of Jetson Nano where it is used in real-time application. Now we are going to know about the Jetson Nano Developer Kit. Have a look on the Jetson Nano Developer Kit and the ports available on it. The first one here is the 5V DC power input, and the next these ports are the HDMI and display port of 4K quality for output, and these 4 ports are the USB 3.0, and this one is the Giga Ethernet port, and this one is the micro power input of rating of 5V and 2 amperes. These are the 40 pins header expansion. You can see here micro SD card slot also available for the main storage, and this one is for the camera. We can connect to camera here, and this one is the heatsink. In Jetson Nano box contains an Wi-Fi RF module. This one used for the good signal sense. If you are not used this one, we get low range and unstable connections. We use here like this. To start the Jetson Nano, we require an micro SD card. Here we are using the 256GB SD card with the help of the USB 3.0 card reader. Open the Chromium browser and search as get started with the Jetson Nano Developer Kit, and you will find a website from the NVIDIA developers. Wait, before that I want to create a new folder to save that image of Jetson Nano in my new folder and named as Jetson Nano OS. Now I want to change the path, download path, to the created folder. Here I am changing that folder path to. Now let's go to the Jetson Nano website, and this is the Jetson Nano board. We are already discussed about the ports available on that. Go to the next page, and this is the micro USB power supply cable adapter with the 5V 2 amperes. In this page we will get the Jetson Nano Developer Kit SD card image. You can see here we need to download it. Just click on that one, it will start downloading, and once the image is downloaded and go for the instruction for Windows, they clearly mentioned how to format our SD card, and you need to download and install a launcher and named as Ether Balena Ether. So from here you can download your system compatibility version depending upon that. Next, we need to format our micro SD card. While formatting your micro SD card, you need to check carefully whether you format your micro SD card or some other local drives. Once it is formatted, go for the folder what is we already created. So from that Balena Ether, you need to download and install it. Once the launcher installation completes, the home page appears like this. From here you need to select the flash from the file. So I'm choosing that image we recently downloaded, the JSON image. You need to choose that one, and it looks like a zip format. Don't extract it, just select that one. It is loading. While loading, it is we got an error. No worries, just close the launcher tab and everything. And again reopen it. Now this time again same, we need to select that, check that, okay, it is a Jetson Nano SD card image. Okay, now we have selected that one, and once select that image, select the drive. Okay, it is a 256 GB SD card, it will auto select, then flash it. We will get a warning because we are using a 256 GB large drive. So to confirm that, we get an warning message. Yeah, now it starts the flashing into that SD card. In simple words, the flashing means installing the OS into the SD card using a launcher. Here we are using the Balena Ether. That's it. Once the flashing completes, remove that SD card and place it in the Jetson Nano. Yeah, here I am using that monitor to the Jetson Nano output. So for that purpose, I am turning off that monitor. Giga Ethernet cable is connected, and you also know that that one is Wi-Fi RF module, and keyboard and mouse are connecting to the USB 3.0 ports. This is HDMI for the monitor output, that has to be connected. Now I need power supply. So 5 volt. Here I am using 2.5 amperes. Micro USB power input. I am comparing here two cables. One is large one and one is small one. Don't use the too much large cables. It will lose the power and your Jetson output will not get. It may blinks on and off of the screen. Once the power is turned on, it automatically boots itself. Because of that, OS installation is done in that SD card. You need to set up that environment. Here we use the Jetpacks 4.6. It's supposed to the Ubuntu 18.04 version. $213 GB memory card space available, and now we are checking whether the internet working or not. Yes, internet also working. Finally, you can see the connections of the Jetson Nano.